Snow's a little deeper today, boys. Making another run for supplies. I mean, this is my side street, and it's got a lot of snow on it. They're not going to snow plow this for weeks. Missoula libtard idiots. Now, they ain't got the money. They gave all the money to their brother-in-law at the road department. But if I can make it back up to my house, I'm good to go. Get down to this main street down here, should be a lot easier going. I'm gonna run and get me a full tank of petrol during these snowy conditions. Oh, here's a bunch of people. Nice snow-packed main thoroughfare. Life is good, baby. Trying to help my neighbor Ben fix the 2 broken snow blowers so he can clear out our driveway. Loaned him a bunch of tools. I can't believe I let him keep my tools, but I did. Anyway, hopefully I won't need them between here and the gas station. Oh, boys, shoveling his sidewalk. A shout out to Big Dan. I bet you're digging out again. 5 o'clock. And shout out to Joe Sam Bowie. I bet you're snowed in over there at South Lake Tahoe. Still snowed in, eh? You guys got him a nice snow blower there. Yeah, baby. Go get some petrol. Fill this sucker up. In case we have to go across a mountain pass or something tonight or tomorrow. If you get in a traffic jam, you don't want to run out of gas while you're sitting there idling with a heater running. These cars don't stay warm but a few seconds after you turn the motor off. Cold weather. There's no R factor in this glass windshield, baby. No R factor. I love the way these people bunch up. 5 o'clock traffic. That might be interesting. It's alright. We'll get her done. Get some petroline. Head back to Wally World. Get a couple of things. And then go see if Bubba Ben got the pull rope back in the snow blower. Bless his heart, he's like my daddy when I was a kid. He's got a pair of vice grips and a pair of pliers. That's the way we put everything together with. Well, we got the tools. Yep. Knock on wood. We have a nice, safe ride up to the gas station. Brother Dan said he's got his dash cam working again in case some idiot pulls out and hits him. He'll have video proof that the idiot hit him. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, this side street's pretty deep right here. I didn't think about that. Pretty deep. Yeah, I'm going to stay off these side streets. I'm taking my same old roads I always take to avoid the bad traffic lights. And you run into this, foot of snow at the crossroads. Got my big, that guy dumped all his snow out of his driveway right out in the middle of the road. It makes it tough. Makes it a little tough. Woo, that's really deep right there. Man. We won't be coming back this way, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Snow's a little deep. Like I'm gonna be canceling my dental appointment in the morning. Canceling the old dental appointment in the morning, boys. What a trip. That was a wild ride, boys. Alright, back on camera. Get the heck out of Dodge. Try to get back to a main thoroughfare before we get stuck. There we go, baby. It's a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow. Just stay where you are, Volkswagen idiot. Said I wasn't taking the side roads, but I am. I'm gonna make it back. Make it back this way, even though it's deep snow. Stay away from the crazy people. Hopefully, there won't be that many crazy people on this side street before it fills in. But you never know. I'll put back to Walmart, get a couple of things, and then put back up the hill to my casa. Put this thing under the carport before the real idiots come out. Looks like people are blocking the, oh yeah, they're blocking the intersection because they're so intelligent. What do you call 500 lawyers at the bottom of ocean? A good start. Jay Leno, years ago. Got up to 24 degrees today. That's a heat wave. It's been, 5 degrees, 8 degrees at night, 1 degree, and then get up to, 10 or 8 above zero in the daytime. That's not very warm. So anyway, today's 24 degrees. This is wonderful. Out running around in a light little anorak. Hey, looky here. We're gonna make it home, boys and girls. But where this guy's turning left right here, that's the way I usually go up to my house, but that dadgum snow's a foot and a half deep on that road. There's some ruts right here. That's good. Get out of the middle of the road, boys, because I'm driving my car right through here right now. Now, I want to move that stuff. Pretty good little trail system just to get around back of the house. You can see how deep this snow is on my feet. Wintertime, Montana. I'm glad I made it home. Side street, got a foot snow in them, 2 feet in places where people look at my picnic table. It's got a little bit on it. Look at that divot. It's a pretty good divot in the old picnic table snow. I think it's too late for the squirrels to come by, but it's also too late for the flying rats. Oh no, that's crows. That's crows coming over there. Flying rats have gone to the roof for the night, the El Pigeones. Put a little out here for the deer. Not enough to hurt them. They still have to go find their real forage, but that'll give them a nice little treat for a cold winter night. Make a little divot in my tree. This is where I threw out about 3 gallons. Oh, I did it again. Shucks. Oh well. I don't have my little soup can dispenser. Obviously, I can't work this big coffee can. So, here we are. Wintertime in Montana. Life is good. Feeding the deer and the squirrels. I still got feed in my bird feeder up front. But here's my snow gauge on top of my trash can. So it's got 4 or 5 inches of snow on it, 6 inches. I'm gonna dump it back to 0. Now I can look out the window tonight or in the morning and see how much it snowed. Alright, signing off. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care of your friends and family. Have fun. Adios.